Kale salad recipe. Lemon garlic kale salad. Ingredients quantity. Kale leaves 6 cups, chopped. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Olive oil 2 tablespoons. Garlic 1 clove, minced. Salt and black pepper to taste. Cherry tomatoes 1 cup, halved. Avocado 1, diced. Red onion 1/4 cup, thinly sliced. Parmesan cheese 1/4 cup, shredded or grated. Toasted pine nuts 1/4 cup. Dried cranberries 1/4 cup. For the dressing: 1. 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 2. 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. 3. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. 4. 1 clove of garlic, minced. 5. 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, optional. 6. Salt and freshly ground black pepper, to taste. Instructions. Preparing the salad ingredients. 1. Wash the kale leaves thoroughly and remove the stems. 1. Chop the kale leaves into bite-sized pieces. 2. Place the chopped kale leaves in a large salad bowl. 3. Add the halved cherry tomatoes, diced cucumber, sliced red onion, sliced almonds or sunflower seeds, and crumbled feta cheese, if using, to the salad bowl. Making the dressing. 1. In a small bowl, whisk together the extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, honey or maple syrup, if desired, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Serving. 1. Optionally, season with additional salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. 2. Serve immediately and enjoy the nutritious and delicious kale salad. Conclusion. A kale salad is a fantastic way to enjoy the nutritional benefits of this leafy green vegetable. With its vibrant flavors and textures, this salad is both satisfying and nourishing. Customize your kale salad by adding your favorite toppings and dressings. So, gather the ingredients, prepare the dressing, and indulge in the goodness of this homemade kale salad. Kale salad calories. The calorie content of a kale salad can vary depending on the specific ingredients used and the portion size. However, I can provide you with a general estimation of the calories in a kale salad with the ingredients listed in the recipe above. Here is an approximate breakdown of the calorie content of a kale salad serving. 1. Chopped kale leaves, 6 cups, approximately 150 to 200 calories. 2. Cherry tomatoes, 1 cup, halved, approximately 25 to 30 calories. 3. Cucumber, 1/2 cup, diced, approximately 10 to 15 calories. 4. Red onion, 1/4 cup, sliced, approximately 10 to 15 calories. 5. Sliced almonds or sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup, approximately 150 to 200 calories. 6. Crumbled feta cheese, 1/4 cup, optional, approximately 70 to 90 calories. For the dressing, the calorie content can vary based on the quantities used and the specific brand or recipe. However, a typical dressing serving, 2 tablespoons, can range from 60 to 100 calories. Please note that these are general estimates and the actual calorie content may differ based on the specific ingredients and brands used. If you are concerned about the calorie content of your kale salad, It is recommended to check the nutrition labels of the ingredients you use or use a reliable online nutrition calculator to get a more accurate estimate. This table includes the main ingredients for a kale salad, including kale leaves, lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, salt, and black pepper. You can adjust the quantities based on your preference and the number of servings you're making. Additional toppings include cherry tomatoes, avocado, red onion, Parmesan cheese, toasted pine nuts, and dried cranberries. Feel free to customize the salad with your favorite ingredients. Enjoy your nutritious and flavorful kale salad.